Hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude. I'm out at Toy Traders doing another toy hunt, and I found some Mattel stuff. It's got a little blue figure for $9, one of the original ones, so that's pretty cool. But they've got the super colossal blue here for $90, and thankfully I've got a friend down in the States on Instagram, and he picked me up a super colossal for like $17. It was crazy. There's a great sale, so I'm so thankful that he grabbed me that guy for super cheap. Like, that was beyond crazy, because up here this is actually the retail price. Like, they go for $90 in stores as well. If he didn't find me that one, I'd probably be buying this, actually, unfortunately. Also, there's the Indoraptor with working electronics for $50, which is actually not too bad. I mean, seeing as prices up here are expensive anyways, that's like, if you don't have it, then good place to get it. They've also got the super colossal Rex up there for $70. So we'll continue looking for stuff. There's yes! Oh my goodness. Okay, I didn't see this one before. I've always wanted another Herrerasaurus. This one's styled after the Telltale games, and actually like a week ago I was literally thinking, man, I wish I would have gotten more of these guys back when they were out. And I was kicking myself over it, and wow, lo and behold, there it is. I found one. Holy cow. I'm beyond happy about that. Let's see what else we got. So, baggie of minis from the Walmart set. I might get those guys. They're for $20. And then this guy's $9. Kind of like a large safari figure. And I think that's it. They've got a Allosaurus from the original 2015 lineup. And I thought I saw a bag of action figures somewhere. Yeah, I don't think there's any Mattel. This is a score right here. Got a Draco Rex, Smolch-like, and nothing really on the tops here. And they got this guy from Imaginex. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this toy hunt as much as I did. I'm super happy that I scored this guy. Like, that's winning the lottery for me, trust me. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.